students, in this lecture we discuss preparation of carboxylic acid from cyanide, or it is known as nitrile, and amides. This is hydrolysis process. I am writing here. This is hydrolysis process. So we understand in this reaction H2O is added. But here some catalyst is required, acid or base. So it is known as catalytic hydration reaction. Maybe acid, maybe base is used as a catalyst. I will consider one example here, very simple example, common example I will write. This is example of cyanide, or it is known as nitrile. See, we add here H2O in presence of H plus catalyst. Oxygen should be added here, hydrogen should be added here. Means here formation of R C double bond O NH2. Name of this compound is amide. So cyanide or nitrile can be converted into amide, and here again we have hydrolysis in presence of acid or base. This will be divided into two portions, H plus OH minus. OH minus will attach here, H plus should be attached here. That means NH2 minus and H plus. Ammonia should be byproduct. OH minus will attach with carbon. So final product will be R C double bond OOH. Name of this compound is carboxylic acid. We consider two examples for understanding of this conversion. One example is CH3Cl. Common name is methyl cyanide. IUPAC name is ethane nitrile. Again I will write, this is addition of water in presence of H plus catalyst. So our cyanide should be converting to amide. So our product intermediate should be CH3CONH2. Name of this compound is ethanamide. Again H3O plus means water should be added in presence of acid or base catalyst. Like this, OH minus should be added here, H plus should be added here. So again we have ammonia byproduct, and we obtain CH3 C double bond OOH. Name of this compound is acetic acid, or it is known as ethanoic acid. This is acetamide, common name. We consider one example of aromatic compound. Name of this compound is phenyl cyanide. Again like this we can write H2 oblique H plus also. Oxygen should be added here, hydrogen should be added here. So benzene ring we have C double bond ONH2. Name of this compound is benzamide. Now this benzamide, again we have hydrolysis reaction in presence of catalyst, NH2 minus H plus. So we have byproduct NH3 and OH minus should be added here. We have two portions. Again I repeat, H plus OH minus. OH minus should be added here, H plus should be added here. So final product we obtain benzene ring containing C-double-OH. Name of this compound is benzoic acid. So other examples we will discuss in classroom. This is very simple two reactions. Our cyanide compound can be converting to amide, and amide can be converting to carboxylic acid. Simple. So nitrile or cyanide or amide can be converting to carboxylic acid. Thank you.